Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have a Backpacker's Pantry. Now this is Fettuccini Alfredo with chicken, and I'm very fond of these Backpacker's Pantry. I know a lot of people like the Mountain House meals, but I think these have their own pros and cons, just like the Mountain House. But yeah, let's have a close look at this one and then we'll try it out. Alright, let's have a close look. And the first thing I notice is the packaging's a little bit different than the last one I did. But yeah, it's looking pretty nice. I like that scenery. It looks like it's somewhere in Arizona or Colorado. Here we have the menu, Fettuccini Alfredo with chicken. It's got chicken in it, add boiling water, eat and enjoy. It's got 270 calories per serving, 18 grams of protein, and this is supposed to be 2 servings. You get a total of 7.5 ounces or 212 grams. Let's check out the back. And on the back, you get a brief history of Backpacker's Pantry. It's all good stuff. And here we have the directions. Remove and discard enclosed oxygen absorber. Add 2 cups of boiling water. Stir well, seal, and let sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Stir and serve. And it gives you directions depending on your elevation or altitude. And here's the ingredients, if you guys are interested in that. And here's the nutritional stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The packaging on this feels very rugged, very thick and sturdy, so it's always a plus. You've got this gusseted bottom so you can stand that up. And yeah, let's get this thing opened up and let's prepare it. All right, the first thing we need is some boiling water, so let's get that started. And we'll need about 2 cups of that. So we'll get that set up here in a minute. And we'll use our Australian canteen cup, which I got from my buddy Link. So we need about 2 cups. And that looks just about right. And of course we'll use our dime stove that we got from Shocker. All right, that's much better. Let's get this thing opened up. And we do have a couple of turn notches. And there you can see some of the noodles. And we'll get this out of the way. And there you have some of the seasoning. All right, and we're waiting for the water to boil, so we'll be right back. All right, looks like our water is boiling. Let's dump it in the pouch and let it sit for about 20 to 25 minutes. That's usually my recommended time, is 25 minutes, so let's shut off the flame. All right, let's get the water in there. Let's just give it a nice little stir. And there it is before it's fully cooked, and it's already giving off a very pleasant smell. Let's close it up. And we have an airtight seal. All right, so for these Backpacker's Pantry, I highly recommend you give it about 25 minutes, at the very least. Just a pro tip. And yeah, we'll come back in about 25 minutes. All right, I think our pasta is ready. Let's check it out. All right, and there it is. Let's get it onto our World War I mess kit. Oh yeah, it's a lot of food. Let's make sure we get all of it. That's all of it. And as you can see, this is a lot of food. Well, yeah, it's supposed to be 2 servings, so it's adequate. Let's dig in. Let's give it a try. Get a nice spoonful. And there you have it. You can see the pasta. You see little bits of chicken. The red stuff looks like red bell peppers. So yeah, let's try it. Yeah, those noodles are cooked perfectly, nice and tender, not soggy or anything like that. You definitely get a taste of that creamy sauce, and that chicken is just perfect. And you get a nice flavor of the red bell peppers. It's a very nice, well put together meal, I would say. So we're gonna spice things up a bit. We're gonna add a little bit of hot sauce and some black pepper. I have my little salt and black pepper shaker from Light My Fire, and there we have the pepper. And we'll add a little bit of this hot sauce, and this is Cholula, and this is mostly for the flavor. It's not that spicy, so let's get some in there. All right, so give it another try. A nice big bite. All right, that's how it goes. Yeah, the hot sauce and pepper add a little bit to it. I'm willing to say that it's just fine and perfect the way it is. I really wouldn't add anything. But yeah, it's a really good meal. I'd say this one's a winner. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That was the Backpacker's Pantry Fettuccini Alfredo with chicken, and I must say this is one of the best Backpacker's Pantry meals I've had. Everything was good about it, the quality, the texture, the flavor, everything was spot on. So yeah, it's a winner. If I can score it from 1 to 10, I would have to give this a solid 8.8 out of 10. It's really good. It's a must try, so go out and get it. And I just want to throw it out there that I'm not sponsored by Backpacker's Pantry. Just throwing it out there. So Backpacker's Pantry, if you're hearing this, you know, just leave me a comment. And I hope you guys come back for the next review. I want to give a huge thanks to all of you, and a big thanks to my patrons for your support. And I'll see you guys in the next review. As always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.